Okay, let's start by doing this. This is feeding time for the feral cats. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I'm gonna go 5 this time. I usually have full, but this bag is almost empty. I got 2 more bags there that I got the other day when my taxi driver waited for me outside at Superstore. Okay, we're gonna go outside here. All right, I got some of the indoor cats like to go out. And here we go. Here's a couple of the indoor cats like to go out when I go out. Okay, we're going outside with the food. And here you go. These are all the feral cats. Not all of them. Some are probably outside. They're sitting in the windows. There's a little kitten there. All right. So here we go. We're gonna put some food down for them. This one that you're looking at right here, got in the food first, is Spooky. Spooky is friendly. He doesn't come inside though. He likes being petted. Okay, as you can see. Now look at the little kitten there. Oh, Sparky's running away. Now look, I got a dog house there, and that brown square thing is a heater. So at nighttime when it's cold, they all go inside there and cuddle up. So there you go. Let's do a count here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's some back there. There's 1 there. 10, 11, 12, 13. I think I've lost a couple to coyotes. Coyotes been showing up here, but they might be just outside. So there you go, guys. This is all my ferals, and what'll come next will be some of the indoor cats. So that's 10 inside. All right. So let's go on. We're gonna go with the indoor cats. Finish this part. It's treat time. All right, and here we go. These are the indoor cats. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This guy here is Surf. Surf has been with me for about 14 years. Okay, let's just get Surf some treats. Okay, come on, Surf. Surf. He's very special. And as you can see now, this guy here is Turf. Turf was my wife's cat. Would sleep with her every night. God bless her soul, she's gone. Let's just get Turf some treats. Okay. Look at this little sweetie here. She's pretty skittish. Okay. And there you go, Turf. This is Sneaky. Sneaky came in from outside, was one of the feral cats, but doesn't really, you know, hang out with me much. Okay. There's Shrimp. I rescued Shrimp from the train station here in Manyberries. And Shrimp had 4 baby kittens in my bedroom. So let's give them a little bit more treats here so you guys can all see. Oh, here comes another one. So indoor right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm missing one. This is Whisper here. Whisper. This is Whisper. Okay, Whisper's a really pretty feral cat that moved in. That's Sweet Pea. Now Sweet Pea might be going to a guy that I know that lives down the street. Okay, very friendly, was a feral cat, kind of moved in the house. So there you go, guys. The life of cats at my place. You've probably already seen the video of the feral cats. I hope you enjoy.